Hello, welcome back for lesson number 56. I put a title called Mirror. Today we're going to mirror the previous operation. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous operation. We have completed cutting the left side. Today we're going to mirror the operation to the right side. So we will click the operation, select the toolpath editor and mirror. Select and we put the point. We will mirror based on x-axis. Click OK. Yeah, we have completed. Very easy. So before that, we will continue to edit and insert an operation before. We want to move the tool to the correct position using this method called directive interpath move. Edit, set the frame G54, just set the home axis, calculate. You can see there's one line over here. Move the tool. By the time after retract, go to the next position, continue the cutting at the right side. Okay. Calculate on the mirror operation. We go for the solid verified. Looks good. Analysis. We still have material to complete the final operation. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to accomplish the task. First, we double click the previous operation. Collapse it. Toolpath editor. Click this operation, mirror, select this one. The point is 0, 0, 0, x-axis. Click OK. Yes, we have completed to mirror the operation. Right mouse click, insert before, directive, interpath move. Right mouse click, edit, set the frame. G54, nothing change here, nothing change here. 0, 0, 1. Calculate. You can see there's one line over here. Okay. Right mouse click. Calculate. Looks good. Let us perform solid verified. Slow down. Play. Looks good. Option, analysis, visual. Take a look. We still have material for the finishing cut. Looks good. No problem. Zoom in and everything to our expectation. Okay. Close. Close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue the rough out operation on this part at the next lesson. Bye bye.